Adebola is fine. We have said Adebola wa, she's fine. Adebola is fine. Now to say Adebola is good. Mo wa dada. The mo is the high. So Adebola is good. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Adebola wa dada. You know, those are the simple ones. Adebola wa da. Now, if you notice now, Adebola is fine or good. Adebola wa pa. The only difference is just that I remove mo. That is I. Adebola wa pa. Bobo ńkọ́? Bobo wa pa. Awesome. That means Bobo is fine. Bobo is alright. Bobo is well. Or Bobo is good. Mo wa pa, oh, I am fine. Mo wa. You can even say mo wa. Mo wa pa. Mo wa da. They are correct. And the person goes further and asks you, mommy ńkọ́? What is
your mom?
Uncle is like asking you a question. You just